Good morning, Kuya! Having a job is a necessity in one's life dahil nagbibigay lunas ito sa pamangailangan ng ating buhay sa pamamagitan ng salapi. Sabi nga sa Biblia, ang salapi ay sumasagot sa lahat ng mga bagay. However, between a job with high salary or a job you love, which do you think is more important? Let us ask our fellow men. Tara!
Job you love?
Why?
I just think it affects everything in your life. If you're working a job that you don't enjoy every day, it would kind of take a toll on your mental balance, I guess.
So based on salary alone, whether a job is high or low salary, the obvious answer is the high salary, but what the quality of the job is the next question. I think there's more external factors that you have to think, like even if you love your job, if it can't support your family, you're going to have to go for that higher salary or a second job. And the loves of our lives sometimes have to be pushed to, well, I'll do that in my spare time and work the job for the salary to support, your family and such. And have the little comforts of even just a vacation and, extra money not to worry about if something happens, like someone gets sick in the family.
Para po sa akin, mas importante yung job na with love. Yun po yung pinipili ko kasi mas magaan sa pakiramdam na nagtatrabaho ka, walang stress, at lahat po ng mga bagay na gagawin mo with desire and passion. And for the meantime, mababa nga lang yung sahod niya, pero pag tumatagal, nagiging way para umangat tayo at maging knowledgeable, and in the future, magiging way yun para umangat din tayo sa buhay.
I think for me, what matters most is my job that I like, because, well, on the other side, you have a high salary but you don't like it. Mas gusto ko yung sakto lang na salary, at the same time, comfortable ako sa environment. So that's all I can say.
I think for me, a job that I love is more important than money. My happiness means more than $1, honestly. So I would go with a job that I love going to every day.
Siyempre, mas gusto ko yung trabahong magusto ko. Kasi doon ako masaya. Kaysa sa malaki ang sweldo, kung hindi ka naman masaya, nagbibigay lang sa'yo ng isipin, mga bagay na hindi dapat isipin, kasi nga hindi ka masaya. Samantalang ang trabahong gusto mo at masaya ka, minsan kasi nag-iiba yan depende sa pangangailangan ng tao. Minsan iba napipilitan maghanap ng trabahong malaki dahil siyempre yun ang preference nila. Pero para sa akin, mas gusto ko yung trabahong gusto ko.
More important, a job I love.
Why?
Well, why would you do something you don't love? It's you spend your whole life doing it, so you may as well like it.
I think a job with what you enjoy is way more beneficial in this day and age, because it's more fulfilling, it's more gratifying, and basically that's it. I mean, yeah, you just do what you want to do.
I think for me, I rather choose a job you love, because a job with high salary pero hindi ka naman masaya, parang tingin ko hindi magiging fulfilling sa'yo no? Maaring nandyan ka dahil lang sa salary, pero pumapasok ka ng labag sa kalooban mo. Hindi katulad pag yung a job you love, yan yung trabahong pwede kang tumagal. Kasi yung yung salary naman, it will follow Kung mahal mo yung trabaho mo, mas maganda yung pinapakita mong pagtatrabaho, ang tendency niyan, pwede kang ma-promote. Siyempre, pag may promotion, it means yung salary mo tataas din.
And there you have it, mga kasangbahay. Nakarelate ba kayo sa kanilang mga sagot? Alalahanin natin na ang pag-ibig sa salapi ay ugat ng lahat ng uri ng kasamaan. Kaya mag-ingat din tayo sa ating panghanap buhay. Hanapin muna natin ang kaharian at katwiran ng Diyos, at ang ating pangangailangan ay idaragdag niya sa atin. But most of all, sabi ng Diyos, gawin ninyo sa pag-ibig ang lahat ninyong ginagawa. Ako si Sydney Sacramento, at narito muli sa Good Morning, Kuya!